Hey, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ. I am Stitch. So today we're going to do another unboxing. This time, local company that started here in Arizona, Redcat Racing. We have now branched into, wait for it. Oh. We branched into the crawlers. So me and my wife, we've got two Gen8s, brand new. This is our Christmas present to each other. Except for, we can't wait for Christmas, so, you know, it's December, so we're going to go ahead and do it. But we're going to unbox one of them and see what we got to offer. So let me get set up. So, all right, we're going to unbox one of them. This is the purple one. So we're going to go ahead and get this guy unboxed. I'm going to bring you up to the front-facing camera over here so you guys can see it straight on. And we're going to get this bad boy out of the box. All right, so front of the box, it's got the nice purple one. It's got, as you can see over here, we've got the brushed 550 in there. It's got the matching ESC. It's got, you know, a decent steering servo in it, which, you know, eventually we'll probably upgrade. But other than that, this is the Scout 2 Gen8 V2. So on this side of the box, you can see, you know, we got the purple one right here. We got the green one. It's showing, you know, full details of the bumper, the lighting. It's got the durable transmission. It's got the transfer case, metal shock and linkages. It's got the portal axles. It looks like it has heavy duty axles and portal gears. It says licensed Interco Super Swamper tires. We've also got the massive ground clearance, which you can see right there and from right here. And then, of course, we have the precision steering, which is kind of new, what they upgraded on the Gen 2. Other side of the box shows a picture. You can see this one of the green one here. And then this is the one that's in this box, which is the purple one and the good old Arizona flag, because this is an Arizona company. Although they're not made in Arizona, still Arizona company. Then over here we got some specs showing you it comes with the stickers and everything to deck it out in the different styles of stickers. It comes with a controller. Basically all you need to get this thing running is some AA batteries, which is 4 of them. You need a nickel metal halide or a LiPo battery, and you need a charger, which we got some 3S 5200 Sakaken batteries that we're going to run in this guy event, you know, once we get it set up. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. So you can see it's got some good bubble wrap on it. So we'll get that out of the way. And there she is. Let's go ahead and get her sitting on the table here. So inside of here, it looks like we've got some instructions. It looks like there's some spare parts in here. Looks like some standoffs for the body. It looks like there's a binding plug and an antenna tube. We'll open that up here in a minute. So yeah, here's the sticker collection that comes with it. And it looks like we are zip tied in. Yep, we are zip tied in right there. There she is. She is pretty. Look at that. So it looks like it comes with the standard RCR 2CE controller, standard Redcat controller. You know, it's, open this up. So it's got your steering in reverse, normal or reverse. It's got throttle reverse. It's got a binding button. Has the steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual rate, on and off switch. It's got a rubberized grip on the steering wheel right here. Looks like it's a pretty good controller. All right, so let's go ahead and get the shell off of here. So looks like it's Velcroed on the front. Yeah, look at that. So it's got Velcro right here on this side, and all of the Velcro attaches right there, so it's all held on by Velcro. Shell mount looks pretty good. It's nice and sturdy. You got the nice clear see-through windows so you can see into it. So you can see everything's exposed in there. So you got the 550 can right here. Looks like this is the ESC. And then this is your receiver. And then you got the steering servo, which, if we look under here, it's the Hexfly 3225 servo. So I believe that is a metal geared servo. But look at all this nice linkage. It's all aluminum linkage right here, including the steering. And it's independent. Yep. It's looking pretty good. So it does look like this, you know, this bumper here, it's got a spot for a trailer hitch. It's got the eyelets here. They do seem like they're plastic, so they're not metallized. I mean, look at the detail of the rear differential housing right here. You know, it is, you know, it's super clean and it's silver versus the black. You know, it does have portals, so we'll get dug into that. But like the same on the rear is the same in the front, where it's got that same housing cover right there. So I'm anxious to get this, get a battery in it and go play with it. This is pretty cool. Aluminum shocks. You know, these things are completely upgradable. I mean, just look at that movement. All right, let me, here, let's grab this guy. Put that up like this. But look at that. Isn't that cool? Just climb right over that stuff. All right, so let me bring you back over to my main camera. It's all right. The Gen 8. It's all right. We got the Gen 8 V2. You know, we're going to keep this brushed for a while. Eventually, I think we're going to upgrade it to go brushless and maybe even look in putting a castle system in this. But we'll see. We'll see how things go. But I'm not going to unbox the green one. I might show you a couple of pictures at the end here, and then I'm going to have some batteries in it, and then me and the wife are going to go play with them in the backyard, and we'll take some video and footage, so you guys will see that here at the end. While you guys are enjoying that, I hope you like, subscribe, share, bash that like button, bash that bell, and we'll see you guys all soon in the next video. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. I'm out! Alright, so I got the green one unboxed, and you can see it's pretty much the same. Let's see if I can do this here. You got the two different colors. But yep, me and the wife are going to go have a blast. So you guys stay tuned. We'll put some videos at the end again. Alright, I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. I'm out.